Hi children, I hope you're doing well. Well, today there is another problem which is based on the identities, and this is if p squared plus 1 upon p squared is equal to 119, then find the values of p plus 1 by p and p minus 1 by p. This sum is also to be treated in the same manner we did the earlier one. Therefore, we start on with writing the identities one after another. Okay, chalo. So, to start with, we know that p plus 1 upon p whole square is equal to p square plus 1 upon p square plus 2 dot p dot 1 upon p. This is because the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In this case, my a is p and my b is 1 by p, right? Next, we put the value of p square plus 1 upon p square as 119 here for this entire thing, and here we get to see that p and p gets cancelled as this 1 by p is a reciprocal of p. So we are left with 2. So 119 plus 2 is 121, and we follow the same process by writing this to the left hand side, and p plus 1 by p once again is equal to 121. Therefore, p plus 1 upon p is equal to the square root of 121, which is plus and minus 11. Similarly, we write the second identity and expand it. P square plus 1 upon p square minus 2p dot 1 by p. So, we have to find out the value of p minus 1 by p. Once again, we write the value of p square plus 1 upon p square to be equal to 119. Here, p gets cancelled and we are left with 2 here. So, which is 119 minus 2 is equal to 117. So, p minus 1 by p whole square and p minus 1 by p whole square is this. Now, I am supposed to be finding out the value of p minus 1 by p, which means I have to square root 117, and this will be equal to, again, in terms of surds, okay? It will remain as surds. You can't break this up because over here we had this as a square root of a perfect square root of 121, but here we do not have any perfect square root, so we write plus and minus here. All right, thank you. I hope you people have understood. Thank you.